joke.
Водитель, останавливаемся направо, на обочину, прижимаемся. Три, два, семь, делаем остановочку вправо делаем, 327, на обочину останавливаемся. 327, на обочину останавливаемся, аккуратненько, делаем остановочку вправо. 953, 2242.
Let him get back on the highway. Traffic is stopped behind us. He's gonna bottom out there sooner or later. Don't let him back on the road. How fast is he going? He's on the shoulder of the grass, right in the ditch. There's about 8 patrol cars here keeping him off the road. Can you advise on intentional contact to stop him? Yeah, that's probably not a bad idea. He almost rolled it over down the ditch there. One car as gently as possible. He's out, 31, he's out. Yes, on. Roll out the window. Break the window. Roll down. Get out of the car. Roll down, dude. Here. Come on, bud, roll it down. Break the window. Unlock it. Break the window, clear, break the window. He's got his back. Give me the car. I got it here. Give me a car. Hey, hold on, clear the car. Break the window, we got it. Easy, just easy, bud. Easy.
Till that car either runs out of gas or there's but yeah, he's just going to keep a. Yeah, it's going to be a little cat and mouse. Yeah. Well, you know that you'd wonder that driver, the stolen vehicle, his adrenaline, it must have peaked and fell by now. You got to wonder, this guy's probably thirsty. You know, playing cat and mouse with the law enforcement like that is never a good game. As far as I've known, except for Tom and Jerry, the mouse always is the loser in the end. and in this case, the law enforcement, definitely the cat. That Mustang, though, just staying arm's length out of reach of those officers, and like you said, it really seems like he's doing the, I'm going to slow down, I'm going to speed up. Oh, look, he's getting up behind me there, and here we go. Boho! Soon as I said it, that is a pit maneuver. So you got to wonder if that engine shut off or not, because this guy hasn't given up in the past. Usually when they do that, those motors will stall. In this case, it looks like that car is stopped. That light coming back on from the LAPD. I'm getting wider just to show that there's just two California Highway Patrol vehicles right there, and they're giving this guy a little bit of a berth, which is unusual. Right now, though, you can see him kind of fidgeting around, maybe making that decision. I see that lap belt across that white shirt, so hasn't taken off that seat belt, so it doesn't seem like he's made this decision like it's over. He's still kind of thinking about it, but definitely a pit maneuver of all pit maneuvers. Doors open, hands are up. Woo! And we're going to have to go for fuel, but definitely want to at least see this guy pop his head out of the car. We're just so we making it very clear.